This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Honda Civic Hybrid. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure both your hybrid and the donor vehicle are fully turned off, with parking brakes engaged. It's crucial to find your hybrid's 12-volt battery, which might be in the trunk or under the hood, or use the designated Jumpstart terminals. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. First, attach one red positive clamp to your hybrid's 12-volt positive terminal. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the donor vehicle's positive terminal. Next, secure one black negative clamp to the donor car's negative terminal. Finally, connect the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your hybrid's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, start the engine of the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the donor battery to transfer sufficient charge. After 5 minutes, try starting your Honda Civic Hybrid. If it starts, great. Carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the exact reverse order of how you connected them, ensuring the clamps do not touch each other or any metal. After a successful jump start, drive your Honda Civic Hybrid for at least 30 minutes. This allows the 12-volt battery to fully recharge. If your car frequently needs a jump, it's a good idea to have the 12-volt battery professionally tested for its health. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.